Okay, for the winter, I do suggest that we use high fat content seed for the birds. So they will use, you know, some of these mix that will have like the Niger seed or the sunflower. We can see the black oil sunflower in there. So they could also use the Nutrisaf or for the safflower that would be very good for the cardinals. So all of these seeds will provide the right nutrients for those birds and also the right fat content for them to allow them to build enough fat for the winter. So any feeder would be good. You just put some of those mix into any of those feeders. It could be hopper feeders, and as long as you put them in the backyard and you can actually see the birds, that's all you need. And the birds, after a few hours or a few days, they'll just be to your feeder for the remaining of the winter.